I'm making this video because I lost a bet. So now I have to eat this worm. Yeah, it's still moving. Yeah, it's still alive. But that's the thing is I don't want to eat it when it's still alive because that's like evil, right? So I'm just gonna like it's like guts are okay. Oh, it's not very good. Okay, this is the last piece. Oh. Okay, I did it.